What's happening, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody is doing well. So today I have something a little bit different for you guys. It's going to be a bit of comparison between the new sponsor I just picked up with Compressive Tuning right here, the Airblades, and the Perrin Fender Shroud. Airblades, Fender Shroud, potato, whatever you want to call it. Airblades really does sound cool though. So, first things first, these are both for the 15 plus WRX or STI. And in the box for Compressive Tuning, my boy Cliff, one of the owners, sent me over a care package. You have a pair of Airblades. You have directions in color, which is dope. You really hardly see that. You have your high horsepower Compressive Tuning sticker right here. And he also sent me two different colors of, I guess you could say, like pop clips or fasteners. The cool thing about this product, you can use the stock hardware that comes with the car. Also, packaging wise, good job with the packaging, guys. A lot of bubble wrap just in case it gets hit. You have the Perrin box right here. Now, I just want to tell you guys, I've had this Perrin set for, I would say, close to a year. I've bought it and I just sat on it because I was still doing research in the market to see if anything was better. That's why I never took it out. This was the first time I actually opened the box. Now, you have, as I was saying, you have your pair of Fender Shrouds right here. You have your instructions in black and white, and you have a lot of hardware to do because I think these get installed by using rivets, not the stock hardware. So it's a little bit more of some work to do. Now, these guys at Compressive Tuning, they actually came out with this stuff before Perrin. They did a lot of research and development on this, and it's just a totally different game for them. Let me explain why. They make this stuff for not only aesthetics, but also functionality. It works extracting heat from the engine bay. So how it works is as you're moving forward and your car is producing heat, the hot air goes through these fins, gets pushed through, down to the wheel well, and then it gets recycled and the cool air comes out of these honeycomb sets right here back into the engine bay. So it goes in, down, and it comes back out into your engine bay. And that's pretty dope because that's exactly what you want. Now, because of the fins, that's why you have a directional flow. If you look at the Perrins right here, it's just a flat piece of metal, literally made by a machine, and you can compare it to the Grimspeed one as well, and just has slots in it. So it doesn't provide any type of directional flow for air, if you get what I'm saying. With Compressive Tuning stuff, this stuff is handmade. Handmade. Look at the wells. You can see all the wells. And that's what's dope right there. So you have a product that's handmade, not machine made, and there's a lot of research and development behind it. And that's what I love. Now, guys, the Perrin piece, cost-wise, around $100. This is a couple $100. Now, you might be like, well, why the hell would I want to buy something like that? Guys, it's just like when you're buying wheels for your car or lug nuts. You can get some lug nuts from Pep Boys, or you can get some titanium lug nuts from Project Kicks. It all depends on what level of the game you want to play on. You get what I'm saying? $1,000 wheels or $3,000 Volks. It's all depending on the level you want to play on. You get what I'm saying? So I would rather a piece not only beautiful, but actually has some type of function as well. And that's how I play. So guys, Compressive Tuning, definitely check out their website. You can find them on Instagram at Compressive Tuning, probably Facebook as well, or just Google them online. You'll find them. Give them a call, DM them, it doesn't matter. As I said, I would rather have a piece that's not only beautiful, but functional as well. Before I forget to mention, look at that beautiful Compressive Tuning etching on, I think this is the passenger side Airblade. Oh, and before, just in case, you know, if anybody can't read, guys, you could just scan your phone right here. There's a QR code for, it takes you directly to a video. And that's pretty dope. It'll take you directly to a video of how you can install the Airblades. Also, if you check out their website, they have a lot of other cool parts Even Subi Speed advertises their air shield for your top mount intercooler for the STIs. They have a lot of smart airflow products on here, obviously including these air blades here. So definitely check them out. Use my code WickedWhips for 10% off on their website. And again, guys, these come in 3 different colors. You have the wrinkle red, just like the Perrin right here. You also have black and I think silver. And once again, just to recap, the hot air gets directed down into the wheel well. When it gets down into the wheel well, it gets extracted from the car. All the cool air that you're hitting moving forward, it passes the blades and goes through this honeycomb right here and comes back into the engine bay. And that's the recycling process. It's actually pretty damn cool. It's pretty damn cool. All right, so what we're gonna do is, it's nighttime right now. This was just an unboxing inside because it's cold and rainy today. Tomorrow, we're gonna go down to the Hulk and I'm gonna install this one right here, and I'll install one Perrin. I'm probably not gonna use the rivets. I'm just gonna work it up to the holes and just put something probably just to hold it together, just so you can see it. You know what I'm saying? I'm definitely not gonna put those rivets in the holes under the hood. Get what I'm saying? So I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right, guys, so next day. So here we see, these are where the stock fender shrouds are, and it's very, very simple to take this off. These are just pop clips right here. There's just 2 of them, one right here and one right here. So all you're gonna be doing is just taking a pry tool and just popping it, just prying it out. And these come out, you know what I mean, these are very, very flexible. These come out very, very easily. And on this side, I'm gonna do that side first just to show you, because this side I have my, in one of the holes where the pop clip goes, I have my plunger switch for my, my hood light right here. So I'm gonna show you the example on that side, and I'm gonna just time lapse through it real quick. All right, guys, so I wanna show you guys something real quick. So I purposely, once I took off the shroud, I was showing you like on the time lapse. I know it just seemed like fast, but it couldn't go in if you tried to put it in like so, like if you try to angle it. What you have to do, it's the same way I was taking off the stock shroud. You gotta flip it upside down. So you can't put it in like this, you flip it like this, okay? Now, once this crease right here gets to where the hood strut is, you start turning it. Just like so. And once you turn it, it falls right into place. That's how you do it. I'll show you again. So to take it out, you turn, take it out. So you put it back in like so, just insert. Once the space or the crease in the air blade hits where the hood strut is, watch, I'll show you. You start turning. And once you start turning, they made this thing perfect. I'm talking about no interruptions. And look right here. I'll show you real quick. Check this out, how they made this product. They made this, I told you, a lot of R&D went into this. Look where these spaces are, right where these dimples in the body of the fender is, right here. Look at it. So nothing is out of place, man. So just have it sitting there like so. It's a freaking dope product. It's nice, and it's not even interrupting my my lights right here, underglow. It's pretty dope. Look how that looks right real quick. I'm gonna put the Perrin one on just for shits and giggles, and we'll see what's up. All right, guys, so I just mocked up, obviously you saw the air blade from Compressive Tuning over here, and this is the Perrin on this side. And I'm pretty sure, without a doubt, you can see which one really fills up where the fender is. You got the Perrin right here. It's a little bit slimmer. You have this nice thick bad boy right here with the vents and the honeycomb. So yeah, definitely, this one definitely makes the engine bay look a lot better, and it's functional. Perrin does have a good product, especially obviously it's powder coated. This both are powder coated, but guess what? It's just, you know, when it comes down to it, it's just aesthetics. It's not functional. You know what I'm saying? So obviously you guys know which way I'm going with. You know what I'm saying? Compressive tuning for the win in this one. Look how beautiful that looks. That's what I'm talking about. All right, guys. So let me just finish this up. Oh, I'll show you these damn pop clips that they sent me. Give me a second. All right, guys. Let me show you guys something real quick. So we have these cool compressive tuning pop clips right here. But obviously they sent just the tops. There is no bottoms. So how this works is, so let's say these are your stock pop clips right here. You have to take your pry tool, pry off the top. Once you take the insert out, it looks just like this. It looks bare. And how this is designed, the ones that you buy from Compressive Tuning, it snaps in just like that. So it keeps, so you have the bottommost insert that goes into the metal in the body of the car, and then you have the top, the aesthetic portion right here, which is pretty nice. So let me show you how it looks. Okay. Don't mind me, guys. It's a little bit cold out here today, as usual. You know the deal. Snaps in. It actually looks pretty damn sharp, I gotta say. Wow, hold on for a second. Let me show you guys. That looks pretty damn sharp. And let me tell you, man, this is snug. There is no shaking whatsoever. Also, I want to point something out. If you notice how the Perrin design over here is, it's like a slightly oval hole, and it's not rounded like the compressive tuning, which means I would actually have to drill this. I would have to bore this a little bit in order for my pin to fit properly in. And let me see something real quick. And I'm pretty sure the compressive tunings can fit that hole no problem. Yup, it would definitely fit all the way down, no problem. So that's another headache I would have had if I stayed with the Perrin. Get what I'm saying? So anyway, let me take this off real quick. I'm gonna just button everything up and show you the finished product. All right, guys, the install is complete. Obviously, in the time lapse, you saw I had a little bit of tinkering to do on that side. I had to relocate some wires and a whole bunch of other stuff. So it was a lot of stuff I had to do. Thank God for time lapses, right? But anyway, so obviously, guys, you can see the finished product. The pop clips, I got the black with the white here, and I got the red with the right here. The red with the right, it's pretty dope, man. I put it over here. And as I told you before, as I predicted, the hole for the compressive tuning was big enough where it can go over my pin for my hood light. I got the switch for the hood light tucked in right over here, so I could just turn it on whenever I want to, like so. And then the pin is right here, uninterrupted. So now I guess it's gonna turn that off right real quick, and that's it. So guys, as I told you before, moving forward, once the car is moving forward, that hot air from the engine bay gets in here. Once it gets in here, it goes down into the wheel well, dissipates, and that cool air comes out right over here where the honeycomb is. And obviously, guys, I don't have a top mount intercooler, so, and also I don't have that piece, that black shroud over here that goes over the top mount, so it's a lot of fresh air coming into my system anyway. So that's it, guys. Anyway, you know what to do, guys. Definitely like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you think, and you know, I guess I'll talk to you all soon. Stay tuned. I'll just take a couple of shots at the end of this video, but this thing looks super nice. And what I'm gonna do, I'll probably end up doing a giveaway for the Perrin stuff on my Instagram, so stay tuned for that. Anyway, guys, be well. I'll talk to you all soon. Take care.